story is The Lion and the Mouse. Once a lion caught a mouse. He wanted to eat him. The mouse said, "Please don't eat me. Someday I will do you a favor." The lion took pity on the mouse and let him go.
Name of the story: The Lion and the Mouse. Once a lion caught the mouse. He wanted to eat him. The mouse said, "Please don't eat me. Someday I will do you a favor."
यहाँ पे जो हमारा मिडल पार्ट है वहाँ पे भी हमने पैराट्रिन कलर अच्छे से कंप्लीट कर लिया है। अभी लास्ट पार्ट बचा है बॉडी का, वहाँ पे मैडम डार्क ब्लू कलर का यूज़ कर रहा है। कौन से कलर का? डार्क ब्लू। ओके, ये बहुत डार्क कलर है तो आपको ध्यान से केयरफुली करना है कि एक पार्ट का कलर दूसरे पार्ट में ना चला जाए। ओके, तो वैसे आपका बटरफ्लाई बिगड़ जाएगा। किड्स, यहाँ पे देखो हमारा बटरफ्लाई का जो बॉडी का पोर्शन है वो पूरा कंप्लीट हो गया है कलर से।
Today we will see one elocution topic, Republic Day. On the occasion of Republic Day, we have organized elocution competition for all of you. As every year we used to have this competition, this year also we will keep elocution competition on the occasion of Republic Day, in which you have to speak the same topic, Republic Day, for the standard of 3rd and 4th.
It's the 26th of January as the Republic Day every year. Now students, first of all I will explain you what is the meaning of Republic. Look here, these are some of the words which we will be learning in this elocution. First word is Constitution. Constitution means the basic laws or rules of a country. किसी भी देश के basic laws या rules, जैसे हमारे स्कूल के rules होते हैं, डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करना, लाइन में चलना, सॉफ्टली बोलना।
A very good morning to my respected principal, loving teacher and my dear friends. My name is Mahia Gira from standard 3rd, Srimati R.S. Kalaria Primary School, Junagadh. Today I am present here in front of you to say about Republic Day. First of all, I wish you all very, very happy Republic Day.
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास,
हम होंगे कामयाब।